Today, BMW is known as the ultimate driving machine, a global symbol of luxury, performance, and precision engineering. But BMW's short for Beyer Riche Motor and Work began in 1916, not with cars, but with aircraft engines built during World War I. After Germany was banned from producing aircraft engines, the company shifted to motorcycles. Then automobiles. By the 1930s, BMW had built a reputation for sporty, innovative design. In 1933, the rise of Adolf Hitler changed everything. As Germany rearmed for war, BMW became a major supplier of aircraft engines for the Luftwaffe during World War II. As the war intensified, labor shortages led BMW, like many German companies, to use forced labor. Prisoners of war and concentration camp detainees were made to work in harsh conditions. By the early 1940s, forced laborers made up a significant part of BMW's workforce. When the war ended in 1945, BMW's factories were destroyed. The company was banned from producing vehicles. For survival, it made bicycles and household goods. In the 1960s, a new line of sporty sedans revived the company, reshaping BMW into a rising automotive force once again. Decades later, BMW publicly acknowledged its wartime use of forced labor and contributed to compensation funds for victims. BMW's history is one of innovation and reinvention, but also responsibility. A reminder that even the most iconic brands carry chapters shaped by the world around them.